Welcome. If you're using the X app and want to stop your device from pronouncing the hashtag symbol aloud, you're in the right place. This updated guide will walk you through the simple steps to disable the pronunciation of hashtags on your mobile app. First, open the X app on your phone. Once it's open, look to the top left corner of the screen and tap your profile icon. This will open a menu with several options. Next, scroll through the menu and select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can customize many aspects of your X experience, including accessibility options. Within Settings and Privacy, find and tap on Accessibility, Display, and Language. This section is dedicated to tailoring the app interface and features to best suit your needs. Now tap on Display. Here, you will find options related to how content is shown on the screen. Then select Accessibility from the display settings. Finally, you will see an option labeled Pronounce as Hashtag. To turn off the pronunciation of the hashtag symbol, simply toggle this setting off. By completing these steps, your device will no longer say hashtag when encountering the symbol while using the X app. This makes for a smoother, less distracting listening experience, especially if you frequently use or listen to tweets with hashtags. Thank you for following along and enjoy your customized app experience.